People come to see me, and lots of times when they're coming to you, they're not coming to you because everything's great. They're hopeless. And you sit down and you talk to them, and you can usually say to them, this isn't that bad. There is a way out of here. We can do this and this and this. And 9 times out of 10, when they're done, they go, I feel so much better, or I feel relieved, or I'm so glad I made this call and I came to see you. Just the fact that they feel better having had come to see you and know that somebody's going to be able to take care of it for them gives them a lot of comfort. The business law area that we practice in is very diverse. There are different aspects of it. We certainly have people who have startup companies with LLCs and C Corps and S Corps and evaluating why they need a certain entity. We have existing corporate clients that need things daily. They need leases reviewed, contracts reviewed, IT issues, all sorts of employment issues. We like to think of ourselves as partners, that people will call us when they have problems. We believe that they need a firm like ours because nothing is simple. Building relationships at Lacy Katzen is very important to us. I mean, that's probably a fundamental part of our practice. When you get the call and people are just trying to get a quote and they just want a hired gun for the cheapest amount, I tell them, I'm probably not your guy, we're probably not your firm. It's very important to us to have a relationship, and when you have a relationship, you understand their whole picture. Now you're in a better position to give them advice. At Lacy Katzen, we feel that we have kind of a niche, that we are more geared to smaller businesses. It can be a mom or pop shop. It can be somebody who does $10 million, $40 million in sales of whatever their business is. But we feel that we are more attentive. We have very good people here who are very practical and try to bring value. It's not about dollars, time hours equals a fee. That's not what it's about for us. Like I say, if we're not bringing value, then they're not going to appreciate our work. One of our strengths is we know what we're good at, and we know when we need some help. And we have a lot of people within this law firm that you can go to. And when we're working on a deal, there may be 2 or 3 of us involved because they bring different things to the table. If I'm working with a corporation and they need succession planning, then we have a team that does that. That isn't just me. I may be the contact and I may be general counsel, and I know the whole picture. I think the way we live the saying of passion for people is, to me, it just means I care. I care. I'm going to take it on and I'm going to really give it my all. It's our hope that people really appreciate the value that we bring to them.